Welcome back to Maha's Kitchen Secrets, where I like my food healthy, easy and quick. Today I'm going to show you something really quick you can prepare ahead of time and it's yummy. It's Crema Catalana. It's basically a custard with a nice croquant caramel layer on top. Absolutely delicious and really easy to make. I'm going to start with milk. I'm just going to leave the milk to boil a bit. I'm going to add to it a lemon peel, and I have a vanilla bean. I'm going to scoop the seeds out and add it to the milk. Whilst that comes to the boil, we're going to do the egg mixture. I've got the eggs. I'm going to add to it sugar, and I'm going to add corn flour. I'm going to whisk it until it's fluffy and pale. The milk is coming to a boil. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to add the milk to the custard, just a little bit of it. And don't forget, you have to keep whisking. Back to the milk. It's going to go back to the fire, and we're going to keep stirring it until it reaches the boil on a medium to low heat. We don't want the eggs scrambling. It's ready. You can see it's thickened up. The next step is running it through a sieve. Always do this because sometimes some of the egg curdles. And now for the crack. I love that noise. Heavenly. Enjoy.